Welcome to the D80 IP phone training series, How to Use the Meet Me Conference Application video. Your Digium IP phone features a conference application that allows you to manage a conference call directly from the phone's display with simple key presses without requiring you to listen to menu options or remember DTMF key sequences. This includes managing attendees as well. To join a conference call as the administrator, tap the menu button on the top left-hand side of the phone. This will open the navigation drawer. Tap the Conferences icon. Here you are presented with the conference room view. To join a conference, simply tap the Join button located beside your conference room number. If your user has more than one conference room and you want to join a conference room other than the one displayed, tap the down arrow located beside your conference room number to select any other conference room you wish to join. Then tap Join. Once you have joined the conference call, you will see your username and extension listed under the conference members area, along with the time, duration in minutes, and options to mute or kick yourself from the call. You can choose to hang up from the conference call by tapping the red phone icon in the Minimize Call card at the top of the screen. When other members log into the conference call, you will see them appear underneath the conference members area. The number of attendees who have joined the call can be seen above, along with the time duration in minutes and seconds of the call. When someone on the call is speaking, a small speaker icon is displayed for that user. As the administrator, if you wish to mute an attendee, tap the mute button for that attendee or those attendees. To mute all non-administrative attendees, tap the Mute Others. If you wish to kick everyone out of the call, tap the Kick All button. A confirmation window will appear requiring you to confirm or cancel the request. If someone has left the conference call, you will notice them faded away for the first few moments before disappearing entirely from the conference members area. Once you are done with the call, you can end it by tapping the red Hang Up button at the top of the screen. Thank you for watching the Digium D80 IP phone training series, How to Use the Meet Me Conference Application video.